Good morning students, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss about climate and adaptation of animals to that climate. Okay, last class we discussed about what? Weather, right? Chapter 7, weather. Then in the same chapter we are discussing the remaining topic today. Okay, climate means here there is a heading, polar region. In polar region, what are the animals live? Polar bear and penguins. Penguins are present in what? Polar region. Okay. Now let us discuss about the climate adaptation of these animals. As we all know, color of polar bear is white, right? Polar bear have what? White fur. Polar bear is white in color. We know that, right? In the picture also there is one polar bear. It has white fur. Okay. So that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background, right? In polar regions there are many snows, right? The area is full of snow. Snow is white in color, so the polar bear are not easily visible in the snowy white background. Okay, and also it protect them from their predators. Okay, predators means hunting people. Okay, the white fur is protect from the predators also for polar bear. Okay, polar bear. Then it also help them in catching their prey. Okay, prey means nothing but a food. It is catching the own food. Okay, so the white fur is also helpful to catch the food easily. Okay, and also it protect from the predators also. Okay, as their prey are unable to see them. Okay, in the white background the prey also unable to see them. Okay, so it catches easily. Then polar bear have two thick layers of fur. Okay, polar bear, first one is white fur, then second one is it have two thick layer of fur. They also have a layer of fat under their skin. Okay, it has fat under their skin. They are so well insulated that they have to move slowly and rest often to avoid getting overheated. Okay, it walks slowly and rest often to avoid what? Overheated. So it is moving slowly. Okay, it has thick layer of fur. Okay, ma. Then the physical activities on warm days necessitate cooling. Okay, the physical activities on warm days is for necessary for cooling. Okay, the polar bear goes for swimming to avoid heating. Avoid warm days. It go for what? Swimming. It is a good swimmer. Okay, its paws are wide and large. Okay, its paws are wide and large. First one is it is white fur. It has white fur. Then second one is two thick layer of fur. Then layer of fat under the skin. Okay, then it is a good swimmer. Okay, in the warm days it is a good swimmer for to protect the body cool. Okay, from warm, it protect the body from warm. Okay, it is a good swimmer. Its paws are wide and large. Okay, which help it is not only to swim well but it also walk with else in the snow. Okay, the paws are help to not for swimming. Okay, it also help to walk in the snow region. Okay, the snow areas and all, it helps to the polar bear to walk. For that also it is helping. Okay, while swimming under the water, it can close its nostrils and can remain under water for long duration. Okay, while swimming under the water, it also closes its what? Nostrils and can remain under water for long duration. Okay, it have a strong sense of smell. It have strong smell. It have beautiful smell. Okay, so that it can catch its prey for food easily. Okay, it smells the food and it catch the food easily because it has what? Strong sense of smell. Okay, ma? Then the next thing is about what? Here we discuss about what? White fur. First point is white fur. Polar bear have white fur, two thick layer of fur, then layer of fat under the skin. Then it is a good swimmer. Then fourth one is wide and large paws are present in polar bear. Then long, curved and sharp claws. Okay, then strong sense of smell. Okay, it has strong sense of smell. Okay, then the next thing is penguin. The polar region. First we discuss about polar bear, then penguin. Okay, it also have what? It also white color. We know that, right? Penguin is of white color and it merges well with the white background. It also merges well with the white background. Polar bear also white in color, penguin also white in color. Okay, so it merges easily with the white background. It also have what? Thick skin and a lot of fat to protect it from cold. Okay, it have thick skin. First it is white in color, it have lot of fat, then thick skin. Okay, it protect from cold. Okay, thick skin is protect from cold. Okay, then it move in groups. Okay, penguin or move in groups, maintain warm. To maintain warm, it move in groups. Okay, ma? It is about penguin. Then, like polar bear, penguin are also good swimmer. Okay, like polar bear, penguin also good swimmer. Okay, it is also good in swimming. Then, their bodies are streamlined and their feet have webs which help them in swimming. Okay, their bodies are streamlined and their feet have webs which help in swimming. Okay, so we call it as a good swimmer. Okay, ma? Likewise, polar bear and penguin, we are having many animals which are living in polar region. What are the animals? First one is fishes. Fishes also present in polar region. Then the second one is musk oxen. Okay, then reindeers, then foxes, seals, whales and birds also present in polar region. Okay, along with the polar bear and penguin, there are many animals in polar region. What are the animals? Fishes, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales and birds. Okay, ma? Fish can remain under cold water for a long, right? Likewise, birds must remain warm to survive. Okay, they migrate to warmer region when winter set in. Okay, fishes can remain under cold water for long. Birds must remain warm to survive. They migrate to warm regions when winter set in. Okay, then here is one bird. Okay, Siberian crane that comes from Siberia to places like Bharatpur, places in Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana, and some wetland of northeast and some other parts of India. These bird is present. Okay, Siberian crane that comes from Siberia to places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana and some wetland of northeast and some other parts of India. These birds also present in polar region. Okay. Then next we discuss about the tropical rainforest. Okay. The tropical region have generally a hot climate. Okay. In polar region it is a cool climate, right? In tropical region has generally a hot climate because it is located around the equator. Okay. So it is hot climate. Okay. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than the about 15 degrees Celsius in that tropical rainforest. Okay. During hot summer, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then day and night are almost equal in length throughout the year. In the tropical rainforest, the day and night are equal in length throughout the year. There is no change in it. Okay. These regions get plenty of rainfall. Okay. In this region, they get plenty of rainfall. An important feature of this region is a tropical rainforest. Okay. In this region, there is an only important place. What is that place? Tropical rainforest. Okay. Where the tropical rainforest are present? Western Ghats and in Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America and Central Africa. Okay. Because of continuous warmth and rain, this region support wide variety of plants and animals. Okay. Because of warmth and rain, this region support wide variety of plants and animals to live. Okay. What are the animals? What are the types of animals? First one is monkey. In the picture, we see that monkey, right? Then apes. The second picture is apes. Then third one is gorilla. Then fourth one is tiger. Then elephant, leopard, lizard, snake, birds or insect are present in tropical rainforest. Okay. Okay, ma. Where tropical rainforests are present? Found Western Ghats and Assam in India, then Southeast Asia, Central America and Central Africa. Okay. This region support for what? Plants and animals. What are the plants and animals? Here there are some plants. Here there are some animals. Sorry. Here there are some animals. What are the animals? Monkeys, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephant, leopard, lizard, snakes, birds and insect. Okay. Then let us discuss about the adaptation of animals to a hot, humid climate. Okay. Let us discuss about the adaptation of animals to a hot, humid climate. As the numbers are large, there is intense competition for food and shelter. Many animals are adapted to living on the trees. Many animals are adapted to living on the trees, right? We know that many animals are living in the trees because there is a heavy competition for food and shelter. So they are living in trees. Here, here one example. Red-eye frog. See the picture, ma? It is a red-eye frog. Has developed sticky pads on its feet. Okay. Why it has sticky pads? To help it to climb trees on which it lives. Okay. For climbing, the sticky pads is used. Okay. Okay. For climbing, the sticky pads is used because it lives in trees. Okay. Then many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight. Okay. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin. A skin color will help them to camouflage by blending with the surrounding. This is to protect them from predators. Okay, for example, big cat, then lion, tiger have thick skins and sensitive hearing. Okay, then monkeys also have long tails. Okay, we know that, right? Then then as there is a competition for food, some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable. Right? Here, striking example about one bat. Toucan bat. Here is a spelling mistake, ma, not Foucan, it is toucan. Toucan. Sorry for mistake. Okay. Toucan bat possesses a long, large beak. Okay. In the picture also we see long, large beak. This helps to reach the fruit on branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. Okay. It helps to reach the fruit on branches for eating. It is helpful. Long and large beak. Okay. So it is an example for what? Adaptation of animals. Okay. Then the next thing is what more about elephant. Other well-known animal of Indian tropical rainforest is what? Elephant. We know that, right? Along with that, elephant also, yeah, tropical rainforest animal. We know that, right, ma? It has adapted to the condition of rainforest in many remarkable ways. Right? It is adapted for the condition of rainforest in many remarkable ways. Its trunk, it uses it as a nose, because of which it has strong sense of smell. Right? Like polar bear, it also have what? Strong sense of smell using trunk. Okay. The trunk is also used by picking up food. It is also helpful to pick up the food. That we know that elephant are picking the food by the trunk. Then it has got modified teeth. Okay. These can tear the bark of trees that elephant loves to eat. It also bark the trees. Okay. And also it loves to eat the trees. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. So elephant is able to handle the competition for food, right? Then large ears of the elephant help it to hearing even very soft sound. They also help the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Okay, it also helps to elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. The ears are okay. The ears are helpful to hear even very soft sound. Okay. Then it also helps the elephant to keep cool in a hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Okay, ma? Then what we discussed today about climate, right? Climate and adaptation. Then about what are in polar region, there are two animals, right? One is polar bear and another one is penguin. Okay. Polar bear has white fur. It has two thick layers of fur, layer of fat under the skin, and it is also a good swimmer. Wide and large paws. It has strong smell, sense of smell. Then penguin. Penguin is also white in color. It have thick skin. It have lot of fat, and it have streamlined bodies. Good swimmer. Move in groups. Okay. Penguins are move in groups. That we know, right, ma? Then what are the other animals living in the polar region? Fishes, musk oxen, reindeers, fox, seal, whales, and birds. Okay. Then Siberian crane. It is also a bat. Okay. It lives in Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. Okay, and some westland of Northeast and some other part of India. Then tropical rainforest animals are monkey, gorilla, tiger, elephant, leopard, lizard, snake, birds and insect. Okay, ma? Then, then the number of animals they adapt the living on the trees, right? Many animals are adapted to living on the trees. For example, red-eye frog. Okay, it live on trees. Okay, then one monkey, it have long tails. It also live on trees. Okay, then toucan bird and elephant are tropical rainforest animals. Okay, that's all about today's topic. Okay, ma. Thank you.